Good morning students. So again I am here to teach you subject maths, and today the day is 5. The day is 5 and the date is 8th July and the day is Wednesday. What is day today? Wednesday. Right. Today in the maths I am going to teach you topic about thick and thin. Thick and thin. Do you like this? Thick and thin. Okay. I want to show you one thing. Can you see this brush? Yes. Okay, tell me. This one is thick or thin? Thick. Thin. Now, tell me. Now you can say this one is thick, not thin. Why? Because we are doing the comparison. When we are doing the comparison, in that case we can say which one is thick and which one is thin. Suppose I am having the only one. How can we say that this is thick? We can't say. Now we can say this is thick and this is thin. When we do the comparison between two, then we can say which one is thick and which one is thin. Now, look here. Here can you see pictures? What are these? Brinjals. Can you tell me which one is thick? This one. This one is thick. This one is thin. Now look here. Bones. This bone is thick. This bone is thin. Right? Now I want to show you some more pictures related to thick and thin. And one more thing, you have to do one page of your maths book on this topic and you have to do one more activity. Right? But before this I want to show you some objects. Now look at here. Two markers. We can do the comparison. This marker is thick and this marker is thin. Now, can you see these two books? Now, we can do the comparison. This one is thin and this one is thick. See, do the comparison. Thin and thick. Can you see these two bottles? This one is thick bottle and this one is thin bottle. Thick, thin. Now see these pencils. This one is thick and this one is thin. Now see, look here, these two boxes. This one is thick, and this one is thin, thick, thin. Now I will show you the notebook work that you have to do. Now see this page, thick and thin. Color the thick thing in each set. Here we can see 4 sets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here what we have to do, we have to color in the thick one, the thick log. Here we can see 2 candles and we have to do color in the thick candle. Here we can see pins. We have to color in the thick one. Here we can see carrots and we have to color in the thick carrot. Okay. Now this page you have to do and you have to do one more activity. Now students, look this page. In this page I have drawn 2 trees. This one is thick and this one is thin. What you have to do? You have to do lady finger impression. What is this? This is a lady finger. You have to do the impression of lady finger. In which one? In thick one. You have to do lady finger impression in thick tree. Right? So I am going to take this brush and now I will show you how you have to do. First you have to do like this and then make impression on the thick one. In this way you have to do the lady finger impression. This activity also you have to do. So you have to do two things. First you have to complete the book page, and after that you have to do the lady finger impression in a picture of a tree. In the thick one you have to do the lady finger impression, right? This activity also you have to do, right? Goodbye. Take care of yourself.